someone to learn to forgive. Thank you. All of this, like we've been saying, and we really mean it like from the bottom of our hearts na sobrang isang malaking karangalan. Kasi, pero may dahilan din kung bakit. Kasi, I mean, apart from everything that's been said today about yung, of course, yung legacy ni Miss Lani, yung history niya, I think to be able to be a part of telling her story, dun lagi ako mag-focus eh. Kasi it doesn't happen to just anyone, like what they've been through. And to be able to be a witness to that, and to help tell that story through this concert, I think there's no greater honor than that for this project. So sobrang thank you for letting us be a part of it. Yun nga, like even the producers are saying, that's the point of all of this. So, yeah, that's it.
Balak niya pa mag-follow, kinuha ko na yun. Of course, we have Athena Imperial from
all of this, like we've been saying, and we really mean it like from the bottom of our hearts na sobrang isang malaking karangalan. Kasi, pero may dahilan din kung bakit. Kasi, I mean, apart from everything that's been said today about yung, of course, yung legacy ni Miss Lani, yung history niya, I think to be able to be a part of telling her story, dun lagi ako mag-focus eh. Kasi it doesn't happen to just anyone, like what they've been through. And to be able to be a witness to that, and to help tell that story through this concert, I think there's no greater honor than that for this project. So sobrang thank you for letting us be a part of it. Yun nga, like even the producers are saying, that's the point of all of this. So, yeah, that's it.
Balak niya pa mag-follow, kinuha ko na yun. Of course, we have Athena Imperial from
audience. Is going high notes still necessary for you, given of course your difficulty in limitations in hearing?
Galing na mag-English na.
Hindi, alam mo sa totoo lang, di ba, tawag mo dito, nasa ano ako, di ba, nasa The Clash ako, di ba, singing competition yun, ano. Of course, nakaka-impress ang mga high notes. But, para sa akin, you don't necessarily have to do that all the time to impress your listeners or to impress your audience. Because simply just singing with a very good tone in your voice, accompanied with the right emotion, that alone is very impressive na eh. So you really don't have to go that highfalutin and mga masyadong matataas na notes and yung tawag mo doon, yung nagbe-belting ka the whole time. Belting is good, I'm telling you. Syempre, it showcases your ability na malaki ang range ng boses mo. That you have that ability to go from low to high. Syempre, maganda naman din yun. But for you to use that all the time just to impress your listeners, pero parang, di ba, hindi naman necessary. So, in this concert, kasi I was known also for doing different types of music nga or different genres. So, medyo nako-cover ko naman yun. So, of course, there's going to be high notes, of course, and there's going to be low notes, and there's going to be really caressing notes that they're going to hear. So, not all the time, puro belting. I will leave it to the young people na lang.
Well, looking forward pa din po kami sa concert, syempre. May it be high or low notes from you. Siguro general question na lang, ma'am, kasi 40 years, di ba? And then you've sabi nga nila, there's nothing to prove, icons already, you're an icon already. Nag-try mo na Las Vegas residency and all sorts. But in the next 40 years, for Lani Misalucha, ano mo kailangan ma-achieve or sinaset mo sa sarili mo? Na gusto mo pang ma-achieve, na sinaset mo sa sarili mo, na gusto ko pa to, even if I'm already 40 years in the show, in music industry.
Yung lagi kong sinasabi kung gusto ko pang ma-achieve, lagi kong sagot, maging bold star. Yun naman lagi kong sagot eh. Hindi lang wala dyan.
Maniniwala kami.
Kumunti na siya
Yun
maniwala.
yung headline namin.
Hindi, oh my gosh, ano ba gusto ko ma-achieve? And honestly, yung mga tinanong kanina sa akin, at saka sa mga nakaraang pang mga press conference, laging tinatanong sa akin, ano pa yung gusto ko ma-achieve? Sa totoo lang, kasi parang, ano na ako semi-retired, honestly. So I'm taking things slow, especially now na, hindi ko na naman din magagawa nung 20 years old ako, di ba? So, take it easy lang. There's nothing else that I would like to achieve in my life. Basically, I was able to experience everything. The highs and the lows, the good and the bad. Na-experience ko na yun, and I will be taking that with me for the rest of my life. Lahat yan mapamaliit na show o napakalaking show, lahat yun achievement sa akin. So, para sa akin, there's nothing else that I wanted to achieve in my life. I just wanted to, maybe for the remaining years of my life, I just really wanted to, I guess, spend quality time with my grandchildren. I guess, yun na yung pinaka magiging masaya ko.
Yeah. Thank you and congrats.
Ikaw ay isang musikero at gumagawa ka ng kanta. Siyempre, masarap sa pakiramdam na maraming nakikinig ng mga awitin. But also at the same time, parang malaking karangalan na magpatuloy at mag-inspire. Magpatuloy meaning, magpatuloy ng kwento ng mga katulad nila Miss Lani, na parang during the time na sila yung nagsisimula, they have done so much for Filipino music. And then, I would say, we have worked so hard to continue what they have started. But magbahagi ng kaalaman namin, I would say, sa mga nagsisimula at mga bumubulusok ngayon, then na mga artist. Sarap na maging bahagi ng lahat namin. Parang, kasi at the end of the day, we always view music as something that's timeless. Whether you started 30 years ago, or started now, or you started in the future, parang masarap maging bahagi nun. At as long as we're able to make music, we're gonna keep doing it.
Well, comment lang ang pinag-uusapan namin kanina.
That have come to life. Both, we always look at it in 3 ways. Parang gusto namin makakollaborate yung mga legendary performers. Gusto namin makakollaborate. And we have done lahat. Marami na sa mga kasabayan namin, kabatch namin. Tapos may mga nagawa rin kami na gusto namin makakollaborate sa mga yung kakalabas pa lang. Nakasigaw. So, siguro dun sa una, marami pa like si Sharon. Parang yung mga si Tito Gary na we have done some stuff and we have guested in his concert. Of course, lahat yan pa. Si
Eugene, wala pa.
Wala pa eh.
Martin.
Si Tito Martin, we guested sa show niya, talk show niya. And then I think, we did a version of our song, News. Pero we still have not done like a full concert guesting. Sa mga kasabayan namin, ang dami na rin.
I've never done.
Alam ko nang gusto natin ka-collab. Na ngayon, posible na ulit. Four of Spades.
Let's
Baka
go!
naman.
Anong
kailangan? Four of Spades.
Sobrang saya namin talaga. As in, kasi, siya parang, yun nga, literal, sabay kami nagsimula. Tapos, even and throughout these years, parang, sa solo careers nila, lalo na si Zid, talagang sobrang close na. Tapos, napakasaya lang talaga namin for them. Bumalik na. Kasi, pero bumalik din siya na para siyang prutas na hindi nakinig sa pilit. Parang hinog ka lang. Kasi
they've gone through so much individually. Now that they're together, it's a really great time.
Pinaplano na ba? Dapat may plano na. Ayan, yung collab. No?
Dati parang may mga, noong 2018 parang may mga very casual conversations na, paano kung mag-concert tayo sa bahay na si Daddy Abel o Daddy Glasgow. Kausap pa namin, tapos nag-usap sila nung mama naman namin. Paano kung mag-concert tayo?
Waves will soon go from the valleys and trees, and all will be alright in time. Waves so long the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. No, you never really love someone until you learn to